Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete ChatGPT account on PC. So open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile in the bottom left corner. Next, click settings. Now once you're on settings, scroll down and look for account. Click on it. Once you're on account, find delete account. Then click delete button. So here you have all this information that you can read before deleting your account. So down here, so you need to type your account email. So let's do that. Then next, you need to type delete capital. So type delete all caps. Then tap permanently delete my account and your account will be permanently deleted. So account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. So OpenAI says your data is generally deleted within 30 days, subject to limited legal or security exceptions. So if you have ChatGPT Plus, deleting your account automatically cancels the subscription.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
And that's how you can delete ChatGPT account on PC. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.